following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Wind advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 4 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: secure any outdoor items that may be easily blown about and damaged. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. And now we're looking